Hi everybody, I'm Simon from VIEZU and I'm just going to take a couple of minutes of your time to explain why you as a professional tuner need the Magic Flex and the Magic Flex box in your toolkit for your tuning needs and requirements. So the application list first of all on this is massive. Not only does it cover your cars, vans, light commercials and a whole range of other vehicles for OBD, boot and bench, but it also covers a massive range of transmissions. So that's your mechatronics control units, your DSGs, your ZF gearboxes. The range is huge. And not only does it cover them for tuning, but it also covers them for repairing. If you need to clone or reinitialize an ECU, there's probably no better tool on the market for helping with your transmission tuning needs and requirements. Now, as any professional tuner will know, you need a tool that's wide and versatile in terms of its application list. We've mentioned OBD, bench and boot. We've talked about cars and vans for your normal engine tuning. And we've also mentioned transmission tuning, whether it's through the OBD or direct connection to the control unit through the bench or boot connections. But on top of that, the Magic Flex also offers a range of additional control units. There's body control units, battery management support units, and of course, additive control units. So that's things like your SCR control unit, your AdBlue control unit, and your additive dosing modules. The range of vehicles is huge and it's only growing week on week, month on month. So check out the application list that we'll post a link to on this video and see all of the wonderful vehicles and control units that this massive tool supports. There's no better time to add this to your toolbox. Check out the links we'll post in the video to the application list so you can see the wide range of vehicles, control units and systems that this tool supports. And also check out our offers and current pricing so you can get this added to your toolbox today. This is a tool that any professional tuner out there needs to make sure that you have the service and tuning capabilities for any customer inquiry that comes through.